Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Cloudflare Tunnel for secure SaaS access step by step clearly. To install Cloudflare Tunnel for secure SaaS access, start by creating a Cloudflare account if you don't have one. Log in to your Cloudflare dashboard. Select the appropriate domain for your service. Navigate to the Zero Trust section in the dashboard. Click on Access to set up your Cloudflare Tunnel. Choose Tunnels and click on Create a Tunnel. You will be prompted to enter a name for your tunnel. Input a relevant name. Once named, download the Cloudflare Tunnel client for your operating system. Install the client by following the provided installation instructions. After installation, open your terminal or command prompt. Authenticate your client by running the command Cloudflare Tunnel Login. This will open your browser to authenticate with your Cloudflare account. Once authenticated, return to your terminal. Create a new tunnel using the command Cloudflare Tunnel Create Tunnel Name. Make a note of the tunnel ID generated for future use. Next, configure your tunnel by creating a configuration file. Use your preferred text editor to create a file named config.yml. In this file, specify the hostname and service to connect to. The basic format should include the tunnel ID, hostname, and service fields. Save and close the configuration file. Return to your terminal and run the command Cloudflare Tunnel Run Tunnel Name. Ensure the tunnel is successfully established without errors. Now, navigate back to your Cloudflare Zero Trust dashboard. Go to the Access section to configure application settings. Add the application that will be accessed through the tunnel. Ensure that your application is linked to the newly created tunnel. Set the appropriate permissions and access rules as per your organization's requirements. Once completed, test the tunnel by accessing your application through the specified hostname. Verify that the connection is secure and operational. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.